Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce emotional trading with Robinhood step by step clearly. Emotional trading can significantly impact your investment decisions. The first step to reduce emotional trading is to develop a well-defined trading plan. Your trading plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Next, set clear entry and exit points for each trade. This will help take the emotion out of the decision-making process. Now, establish a budget for how much you're willing to invest. Stick to this budget to avoid impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. The next step is to practice automated trading. Using the Robinhood app, you can set up limit orders to buy or sell at specific prices. This prevents emotions from influencing your trades at the moment. Consider maintaining a trading journal to reflect on your decisions. Documenting your trades can help you identify patterns in your emotional responses. Another effective approach is to set daily time limits on your trading activities. This can prevent you from obsessively checking your portfolio. Take regular breaks during trading sessions to clear your mind. Emotions often cloud judgment, so stepping away can provide clarity. Engage in mindfulness techniques to manage stress and anxiety. Meditation or deep breathing exercises can help you remain calm while trading. Educating yourself continuously about the markets can also help. Knowledge can empower you to make more rational decisions. Finally, don't hesitate to seek the advice of experienced traders or financial advisors. Learning from others can provide valuable insights and reduce emotional decision-making. By following these steps, you can minimize emotional trading while using Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.